What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels with an emphasis in Harley Davidsons. Today I got a special. It's my 2022 Pan America. Not doing the whole bike, we're just talking about the exhaust. I got some Toce exhaust in. We're going to take a look at the two options on it. I did have the loud baffle in. I got the DB silencer baffle or quiet baffle in. We're going to take a look at both of those, do some sound clips, compare them, and at the end of it I'm going to let you know what I think and which one I go with. Stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next ride. Alright, so that peaked out at 112 decibels on that. Hopefully that gets in focus. Do a little bit of riding and videoing with this baffle, and then we'll slap in the DB eliminator, do the same exact test. So it looks like it peaked out at 103 decibels, if you guys can read that, from 112. All right, guys. Well, there you go. I hope you guys can hear the difference in the sounds. At idle, there's definitely a lot less sound coming out of that dB reducer, that dB silencer, however you want to put it. I'm probably gonna leave the dB reducer in. The reason being, right around 3,000 RPMs, if you're not on the gas, you're not engine braking, you're just cruising and trying to maintain speed. In my helmet, now this might not be for everybody, but in my helmet, I got a really bad drone. And when you're cruising back roads, that's right about the sweet spot of where I like to ride that bike. I know it's a little low in RPMs, but for now, I'm going to stay with the dB silencer. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Guys, let me know what you think. Please comment below, like, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys shortly on the next one. All right, guys, so I just wanted to do a quick follow-up. I did get to ride the bike home last night and back to work this morning, so just what my thoughts are on the exhaust. I definitely like it with the dB silencer in it. It doesn't drone nearly as bad. You still get the raspy sound. It still has a great tone, just cruising on it, not necessarily all over the throttle or engine braking. Definitely leaving the dB baffle in. I'm happy with it. I will probably stick with this exhaust. I was definitely weighing my options, thinking about going to something else, but for now, I'll definitely stick with this Toce exhaust with the dB baffle in it. Definitely got rid of all the droning I was getting in my helmet and went from being kind of annoying and a little too loud to exactly what I was looking for. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. More videos coming your way.